Take a deep breath at Karuizawa, Japan. Of course, you can relax deeply at B&B Hotel Hyochoan at Karuizawa. To get to Karuizawa, take the train from Tokyo International Airport to Tokyo Station. Transfer to the Hokuriku Shinkansen and get off at Karuizawa Station, which is about an hour away. From there, you can take the free shuttle owned by B&B Hotel Hyochoan. The free pickup shuttle operates from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. Our shuttle service is suspended between noon and 4 o'clock due to room cleaning. You can use the coin locker at Karuizawa Station. In addition, if you use a rental bicycle, you can receive a luggage storage service at the rental bicycle shop. Luggage storage is free at CycleMate Q, one of the rental bicycle shops. Our shuttle services are not pre-booked and operate upon request of individual customers. Customers are advised to contact the hotel via WhatsApp, WeChat, Line, or KakaoTalk. The ID of each messaging app of us is HYOCHOAN. The hotel ID is the spelling of the hotel name in Roman letters. After checkout, we will provide a free shuttle service to Karuizawa Station. It is 650 meters on foot to Karuizawa Wild Bird Forest from the hotel. The Sezone Museum is 700 meters away on foot from the hotel. It is 850 meters on foot from the hotel to the Sanmin restaurant. Hoshino Onsen Tombo no Yu is 850 meters away on foot from the hotel. Karuizawa Kogen Church, Stone Church, is 1,200 meters on foot from the hotel. The Haranairi Terrace is 1,200 meters away on foot from the hotel. This Haranairi Terrace has soba, French, Italian, bakery, curry, Chinese and other restaurants, and Maruyama coffee. The hotel offers a free pickup service to Japanese restaurants, yakiniku restaurants, and izakayas, as well as hot springs and the Haranairi Terrace. After checkout, we will provide a free shuttle service to Karuizawa Station, but if road conditions allow, we will provide a service to Karuizawa Station via Shiraido Falls. The hotel has 4 rooms, all twin rooms. There are 1 superior twin room, 28,000 yen per 2 persons including breakfast and including tax, and 3 standard twin rooms, 24,000 yen per 2 persons including breakfast and including tax. The total number of guests is 8 people. By adding an extra bed, 3 people can stay in 1 superior room and 2 twin rooms. The extra charge for the third adult is 4,000 yen per night including breakfast and tax. There are 1 superior twin room, 32,000 yen per 3 persons including breakfast including tax, and 2 standard twin rooms, 28,000 yen per 3 persons including breakfast including tax. With this method, the maximum capacity of adults is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 equals 11 adults. Online booking for the extra bed is possible only for our hotel's web direct booking system. If you stay more than 2 nights and there is no sheet change, the hotel will discount you 500 yen per person. The hotel will change towels and yukata every day. Children 12 and under stay with their parents free of charge, but no meals for children. Only rice and miso soup are served for free of charge. The extra cost for the extra bed is 2,500 yen, tax included, per night. The extra cost for breakfast is 1,500 yen, tax included, per meal. Drone aerial photography shows that you can relax both physically and mentally by staying in a hotel surrounded by the abundant, natural environment. First of all, we are waiting for you to make a booking at B&B Hotel Hyochoan. The hotel's website is https://www.hyo-japan.com/